Oh boy, it's Taco Friday. Taco Friday. Tequila Friday. Good times. What are you doing, Yasha? Uh-oh. Must be having some audio technicalities. Oh? Jeez. What do we got over here? Oh, Trading View. What is up? How are we this morning? This beautiful Cinco de Mayo. And a full moon. Yeah. You can probably go out on a limb right now and say tonight's going to be an absolute shit show. I'm willing to bet. I'm willing to bet the cities are a shit show tonight. Probably not in a good way. People are stupid these days. Add just the holiday just to drink. I mean Americans. Most Americans, you know. That's what Cinco de Mayo is to them. Hey, an opportunity to go and get hammered. And it's a full moon. Let's rock this shit.
Si, senor.
Yeah, si, senor. That's right. I'm going to hit up the taco truck, get me some street tacos. I bet they're in there drinking tequila. Want to bet? I know my taco truck guys. I guarantee you they got a fifth of tequila in there. They're going to be having some fun. Full moon, taco eating, tequila drinking mofos, man. That's what we're talking about. Yeehaw! Yeah. What's happening in the markets? Marketing. Yeah, man. Interesting. Isn't it? Isn't it interesting? Look at the little dollar. What's the dollar done here?
Oh, yeah.
It just ran up to the monthly range. Gold dumped like 20 points or something. More than that. You gotta love gold. Lately, it moves quicker than Bitcoin. It's a riot. Gold's just dying to dump. Why do I say that? Well, I'll show you why. Let's start with gold. Why not? Cinco de Mayo. Let's see. Where you at, gold? There you are. You big, heavy, shiny shitcoin. Whoo! Look at the 4 hour. Oh my goodness. Having an outlier. Having an outlier on the 4 hour. On a bunch of bear div. Been talking about this, man. This is just the 4 hour. There's bear div all over the place. There's bear div all over the place. Let's go to the daily. You know what? Yeah. Took care of it on daily. You know what? The daily's actually setting up some hidden bull. Not going to lie. Look at this volatility expansion on the daily. Yeah. Are you in a short on gold? Maybe. When you understand the alpha volatility radar here, what it's showing you, it's telling you to take your profit. Right? Low length volatility expanded to 100% with volatility grade. That is a recipe for profit all day long. I don't care what time frame you're on. Right? And this is a daily. Right? To get an expansion of volatility like that on the daily, man, take profit. Could it go lower? Yeah. I mean, it hasn't even tested the wave trend here. Right? BTC. Gold's data set's been outside the power mean band. Let me see what this looks like on a 5-day. Oof. You get a rejection here on the zero mean on that bear div. That could be the dump we're looking for. There was the last test of the wave trend right here, right? Gold was up, what, about 1950, 1960 area? Pulled back to about 1800. Be prepared. Be prepared, gold bugs. Look, we got a cross on the weekly, too. Yeah, that's right. Got a cross happening here. Oh, like we talked about, I don't know, a couple days ago. Probably going to be a couple 5-day candles. Right? To at least get this initiated here. These areas get tested, and you're outside the power mean band again. All right, quite a bit of ways from the Fisher as well. So this is going to be boy. If I was in gold right now, I sure would have been taking my profit. I'll tell you that. That's the problem with these gold bugs, all right? It's gold fever, man. They're just stacking. Most of them, what are they stacking? You think they're really stacking physical gold? No, man. Nope. They're not. Hard to get a hold of, too, unless you're in the right spot. And the premiums. That's right. That's right. So, yeah, gold. Got a newsflash for you, Peter Schiff. You're going to get pulled back here, man. You're going to get pulled back. Got this 4-hour bear div playing out. Nice outlier. Nice outlier on the 4-hour. All the fishers are down. What'd that look like on the daily?
Hello, this is Chat GPT.
So, I can't even talk. Well, so, Chat GPT, what do you think about Cinqo de Mayo? Is it just a reason to... Yeah, that's right. Party time. Nice. We threw in some Cinqo de Mayo soundboard clips today, apparently. I'm not involved in the soundboard. I just play them. I just play them. See what else we got. See Yasha cooking up for us over here. Oh my God, look at all these. Just ask one day, hey, we could probably use some soundboard little clips here. Whammo. One day we're just maxed out. Oh yeah, we got a little Elon Musk one.
This is Elon Musk.
Hilarious. Now I'm going to have to look at Tesla. All right. Now I'm going to have to look at Tesla. What's happening with the volatility on the 4-hour? Let's check this out. Yeah, 4-hour and daily. My God. And there's the wave trend. There. I mean, actually, you're down here testing the 33 power mean or 33 log MA. So what happens when you get outside the power mean band? Okay, returns mean revert. And we've got this set up. That's right. We got the reverse Fisher, reverse wave trend plays a pretty big role in here. Look at even on the 4-hour, right? Gold getting ready to get across here, man. I'm telling you, man, coming back down, testing that 33 wave trend, Fisher. This 4-hour candle closes down here. Oh, goodness gracious. You're gonna look at the 4-hour though. Let's pop over here and pull gold up. Get this on traditional, show you what I'm talking about. Let's see how far deep into these deviation bands we are. Let's go to the 4-hour first. I know. You want me to see the daily. We got mean reversion all day, man. Perfect example. Perfect. Yeah, I said it's perfect. 30 length, reverse mean log returns. Look, guys, you're sending a wick outside the 3 SD band. Went sideways. Almost ran a 2 SD on this 4-hour candle. This was bound to happen. Bound to happen. Right at the 30 power mean and right at the 30 length reverse mean log returns. There you go. Mean reversion, man. So this 4-hour candle going to close below. I mean, you got the 11 length on top, right? Interesting. Let me see how far deep we are. Yeah. I mean, that was a perfect test of the 30 power mean. See what I'm saying here? Perfect test. And you're down here close to the 3 SD band on this low length. I'm going to lie. This is probably, for the meantime, I'm getting close to going sideways here. Yes. Let me see what this looks like on the daily. Where's the 11 length? Yeah, almost. Here we go. So on the 11 full, right around 2K. This thing's got a little more room to go if we're talking about a daily. Let me see where the 30 is. Yeah, still up way up above. Yeah, we're mean reverting down to this 30 length power mean. 30 length reverse mean log returns. Powerful. That's what I wanted to see. And you can see right here, even on the daily, right? This move to the top side, 3 SD band. 3 SD band. I mean, what, day and a half pullback? Wham, wham. Almost there. Was talking about this too. Been talking about gold. Gold's going to take a dump, man. Gold's going to take a dump. Let's see. You've got the you got Dixie too, right? Right here. What time did it happen? Of course, pre-market here. Whammo, right to the center of the monthly range. Rejected. Now the dollar data set is in between the weekly and the monthly. This is a volatile area right here. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Let me see here. Let's go to a low time frame. Boop. Start on the 33 here. Oh boy. I was looking for some div. Not going to get it. Maybe on the 90. I'll check in a sec. Yeah, we're going to have to go up here, man. 90 minute. Goodness. There's no bull div of any sort. No, there is not. Turns oscillator into the zero mean on the 90. So here, 45. Is this going to set up hidden? Probably not. Probably going to get a rejection there. 33. No. Yeah, everything's below the zero mean. Trending to the downside too on all these low time frames. Nice little trend. Once again, when you learn how to use these VEPS indicators, goodness gracious, man. Powerful. Powerful indeed. Let's see here. Wow. All lengths. So if we're down here on the 15 minute, all lengths of volatility on this. That was a 15-minute candle, by the way. Peaked out 100 percentile. 100 percentile. Great time to take that profit. I should have got a sombrero to wear. All I got is cowboy hats. Let's go. I love it. Okay.
I go take my siesta now.
Oh, I cannot be believing this. What about the 4 hour, man? Is this thing trending? Total random walk. See how this works? Look where the predictor flip. I'm telling you, man, it's all that bear div. Look at the positive correlation. All the fissures are down. And let's see what happens with the dollar. I mean, we could at least go to the bottom power mean band. That'll break 2K. And that's just going to be the beginning. That'll just be the beginning. I'll tell you what, man. If you don't get this crosshair, this wave trend turns down and rejects off the fissure, and you get stuck down in the lower part of the power mean band, woo-wee! Telling you, man, could get ugly real fast for you gold bugs. But obviously, if you were in a short on gold, volatility is telling you to take your profit. All right, this thing could rip right back up. All right, this is all just boop, 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 boop. I'm reading the indicators. I'm giving you scenarios. What'll happen if this 4 hour closes down here? It's not going to be good. It won't be good for gold. It won't be good at all. Let me flip this on Dixie. Dun, 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 dun. Bitcoin's just doing its thing. We'll get into Bitcoin here. I want to give a little pre-market read for all our favorite folk. Having an outlier to the top side on the 4 hour on the dollar. Yes. On, hidden bull, getting a pop. See this low right here? It was right on top of the zero mean. Get a lower low, higher low right here. Boop, quick pop with an outlier. Random walk. That's why a lot of the times on some of these moves, that's why, God, if anything, if you're listening to this on TradingView, right, you're just getting acquainted with alpha trading. We trade volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics. There's a reason why we do, right? We check it out. All of us at Alpha Trading, dude, if there was a better way to trade, we'd be doing it. We've spent years and years and years just trying to find a system. It's number one, doesn't lag. Right? We're dealing with this for so long. Lagging indicators. People are like, well, what do you mean they're lagging indicators? Check it out. Most traditional technical analysis indicators, right? Save like Fisher transform. Sorry, had brain lock right there. Coming off of that hangover yesterday. Woo, I feel so much better. Ugh. Now, tequila tonight. Oh, Jesus, help me. So, saved like Fisher transform, and there's some like an almond moving average. There's some things that finish out price action in a normal distribution that we'll bring in, cradle, try to make better. That's what we do here. But yeah, lagging indicators, because all of these lagging indicators are built on price. What does price follow price? No, it follows the returns. This is the biggest point that I like to make. Where are we? 4 hour here. Let me go back. Let's go back real quick. Let me show this 4 hour div. Now, I'm not saying it didn't build on the RSI. Why don't we take a peek? I usually do these comparisons. I mean, it's just, this is for new people watching to see what we're talking about. Okay, and there's probably about a 10% of the time that your relative strength index will show some div. But I'm telling you what, man, a very high probability of the time, the RSI is not going to be showing divergence, right? Just here's a great example. Look at all the higher highs, man. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Look at all the lower highs. And when you take into account the zero mean, and what's that mean? And the returns oscillator correlated to price action, telling you, hey man, this thing's about to get ugly, and it did. And it's a quick dump. Guarantee you some people got wrecked right there on gold. If you just had the UPM, if you knew where the power mean band was, if you knew that this is not sustainable out here, right? Because returns mean revert, price action is going to follow those returns. Exactly what you get. Oh, you know what? Let me check up on this RSI real quick. I forgot to change length. It's not be tricky here because there might be some div. We get it on that. Right at the top, there was a little bit. Not going to lie. There was a little bit right at the top. But look at the returns oscillator, man. It's setting up for a while. And you're up here in like an overbought zone, which is total BS, right? Look at the returns oscillator. You're below the zero mean. This is no doubt. As soon as that returns oscillator turned down, it's a no-brainer. Take that position. That's part of the workflow. So what I'm saying, you're going to get your entry down here. But this is a man, oh man. Let's get this going on. And you saw this climbing back up. The chances of this breaking through, very slim. Very slim. So that's good. Right at the end here, the RSI did showed a little bit of div. You're not going to see it all the time. No. Let me see here. What are we building down here? Yeah, a little hidden bear. Have you seen any hidden bear on the returns oscillator? Of course you're not gonna. And this is where it really fails miserably. Hidden divergence is big time. Look at all the lower highs. All right, look at all the lower highs. Look at the returns oscillator. All right, get a higher high here. That's exactly when it dumped out. Bam. As soon as that crosses zero mean, yeah, look, higher highs. Lower highs, wham, hidden bear div, played out hardcore on it. 133-minute candle. 133-minute candle. Let me see something here. Ooh, bigger than I thought. There we go. Where'd that wick go to? Boop. We get, just on that hidden bear, I don't know, you got about 1.5% move. Hey, man, profit's profit. Take that shit. We love it. So, yeah, let me knock this off here. But yeah, I'm telling you, it's about we can do. I mean, I could do a little thing, get some percentages of when the returns oscillator shows div and RSI doesn't. It's high, trust me. We've done it before. Really low, really low, and people are going to talk about, oh, do you see the divergence on the RSI? It's like, no, I don't really care about that. It's got nothing to do. That's not actionable intel at all. Nothing, none of it. Okay, 33-minute. That's enough, right? Get back to Dixie. Let's see, Dixie. Yeah, higher highs. Good. What's that to 33? Let's check the 4 hour. Data set's pulling down, right? We're not talking wicks, man. Wicks, candle opens and closes, man. That's what we're looking for. Indeed. Let's see here. I'll tell you what, man. Dixie also had got some hidden bull on the Z score. All right, hidden bull on the Z score too. So it was on the Z score, returns oscillator. Remember these crosses around the zero mean that you can use these as points, right? You can use these as points of divergence. You got a lower low here, pop, bing, 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 bing. Total random walk too. That move. So we love about the entropy I was getting into. Wouldn't it be nice to have an indicator that told you when the data set was actually in trend? Isn't that what everybody's looking for when you're trading? That helps you get all the juice out of the trade too. I mean, right at the bottom, right when that entropy indicator turns up, trend over, boop, or at least, right, lessening. Look at it. Turns up off the 3SD band too. Predictor flipped right there at the bottom. Yep, all of it works together. Now all the fishers are up on the 4 hour on the dollar too. Let me see here. Let me check the daily real quick. I'm doing this reverse. Usually I'm coming down. I'm a little scrambled right now. That's fine. As long as you're bringing it all in and getting this information, right? That's what trading's all about. Information, speed, and size. We got it all here at Alpha Trading. So I'm pretty sure we were talking about the dollar. God, man, this thing is bearish looking. I know it's trying to pump. It's trying to get out of this hole, but it's got a lot of work to do. I mean, a lot. See this on the 5-day. Is this thing totally flip bearish? Oof. Ugly. mean, you're finding some support down here on the reverse Fisher. Hasn't really tapped it totally. I mean, the Fisher's crossing up the 99 log MA. We still haven't broke that 100 mark too. Do I think that's coming at some point? Guys, look at this. Let's pop this up. Let's give the dollar its own little stage to dance and party and have a good time. Crypto, no. Traditional. Dixie, yes. There you are. It's already on it. Yep. Okay, there we go. So you can see how this thing's reacting. You got the monthly range up here, weekly, dailies, continuing to populate. I mean, these are the dollar bulls knowing what kind of a shit show they're in right now. Telling you, man, this is this is a very bearish setup. You can try all you want. You got to get through here, right? You got through the weekly. They overran the bulls right here. Look what happened. Look what happened yesterday. Bulls weren't having it, man. They were camping right at the center of the weekly range. They just shot it down. This, wow. Now, usually you're going to see some trend there, but we already looked. I don't even think that was a trend. That was just a power move, man. I mean, we're going to have to go to a low time frame. It probably did trend. Yep. Yeah, what am I talking about? Yeah, it was a trend. Probably all the way up maybe to the 90. Yeah, 33. And this is what I'm always talking about. To get through a range like that, it's expanding volatility. How many times has everybody heard me say that? You're not going to get that on contraction. You're just not. You're going to get that on expansion and trend to bust through a weekly level like that. But look what immediately happened. Where were the bears now? Right? They were camped out at the bottom of the monthly. Camped out at the bottom of the monthly range. Rejected it. Shot it right back down below the weekly. You think they're going to move? Think they're going to pull this back down? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the trend's almost over to the top side. Dollar could get wrecked the rest of the day. I'm not going to lie, man. Because definitely, these bear algos, they're just moving down. Like, all right, you want to play games? You want to catch us off guard and run it? We'll show you what's up. I'm not saying this can't go up. I'm just telling you what these algos are doing. You can just tell by the price action. You can just tell, man. And already hit the first support level down here pretty much on the daily. Then bounced off it, made its way through. Caught those bears sleeping. Which I'm bull. I'm definitely a bull long term. All right, but I'm talking about real sound money, right? Not on the dollar index. This thing, in my opinion, you're literally seeing the death of the dollar. And I'll tell you what, man, I was watching a video of Janet Yellen. Well, I mean, what the fuck, man? Even when she speaks, she sounds too old. It's like, what in the hell? How is this woman doing what she does? It's such a scam. But it's the buy Bitcoin video. I don't know if you've ever seen that, where the senator, I think it's a senator, is asking her to give examples of why she thinks that a full audit of the Fed would hurt the Fed. Of course, she can't come up with anything. And there's a scam. And there's a guy behind her with the buy Bitcoin on the yellow legal pad. It's fucking awesome. I haven't seen it in a while. It was quite a while ago, but yeah, it's great, man.
That's great. Yeah, that's a classic.
It is awesome. A classic. I watch it every once in a while. I'm just laugh. You know, whoever did that, they caught some shit. You guarantee it. They caught some shit. You're sitting there at a Fed meet, buy Bitcoin, when they're grilling her about full transparency on the Fed. And she had to.
Yeah, there's also a famous one at a big French protest a few years back.
Oh, yeah, I remember that too. Yeah. 100%. Hell, there was a bunch. There was a ton of people that had buy Bitcoin signs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. Pretty funny indeed.
There shall be more.
Oh, yes, there will be. 100%. But she, you think they want that Fed audited? I mean, why? We don't need it audited. How do you audit something? Yeah, fuck it. How do you audit something?
Yeah, that's what they want, man. That's what they want. They want full transparency on themselves. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like all they do is just print fake money. Of course, they don't want a full. I mean, do we even need a full audit? It's a total scam. But yeah, it's funny, man. It's funny. They're scared. Especially, it's like, so what groups do we got going on here that wants these digital currencies and stuff? Because
it's a scam.
Because there's no more full. I mean, you're on the blockchain. Everybody can see exactly what you're doing. Now, I'm sure the reason why it hadn't popped already, they're trying to find all kinds of bullshit where they can hide stuff. I don't know how this is going to work, man. This is going to be real interesting going into the future because these are criminal organizations, straight up, right? Criminal organizations, what they're doing. It's okay for them to just print endless money because what? They're the Fed. They're a private corporation. Everybody just thinks they're the government. To this day, how sad is that? How uninformed people are. It's insanity, man. And so, just because how are they allowed to just print? Such a scam, man. And look what they've got. Look what they've got us in. It's just crazy. It's insanity. All right, dollar. The death of the dollar at some point. Incredible. Let me pop this on a high time frame. Hey, man, this thing's hurting. I mean, now, obviously, I think we checked the other day. We do got some bull div from all the way back here. And hell, you were above wave trend there. Look at the power mean band after that bull, after that dollar bull run, right? After the dollar bull run, bam, bam, bam. Look at this thing. This thing is turning. This thing flips down bearish all the way. Boy, this thing, dollar's in trouble, man. Dollar is trouble. The power mean bands are already crossing down the log MAs, a reverse wave trend.
Dollar peso.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, MXN, Mexican peso.
Here, let me go to Forex. I want to see the pair. Do I even have that on? I don't. All right, let's see here. Yeah, that's when you know you're fucked. When if we're getting hammered by the peso, where the hell is this? Right? Where's this pair at? Okay, hold on. MXN USD. There we go. Oh, on there we go. No. Okay, where are you? Where are you now? Hey, you now? Where are you? Dude, why am I having trouble finding this pair? Am I losing my mind? MXN.
Too much tequila.
Hold on there. Let me do it the other way around.
Not enough cerveza.
It is MXN, right?
It is MXN. You look up MXN JPY, MXN USD, whatever MXN you want.
I want MXN USD. I want the dude, what in the man? Why am I not being able to pull up this Forex pair, man?
I don't know, literally MXN USD on ICE is the first thing that shows up on my end, so I don't know why you...
MXN USD.
Are you on all or Forex or?
Let me put it just on Forex. MXN USD. Thank God. That was hard.
There it is.
Oh, peso making a run. Oh, look at peso though. Peso setting up bear dib, man. Oh, Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo. Contracting volatility. All lengths negatively correlated. Man, this thing can run. Oh, peso's about to wreck the dollar. Go figure. Holy shit. I gotta call my buddy. Herman. I gotta call Herman. Say, all right, man. If you got a million pesos, you'll be a billionaire in the US. Bring it. Let's go. Crazy, man. You know you're fucked when the peso's fucking charging. Okay, let's see here. Wow, really strange read on the Fishers. The low length is just tripping. It's okay. It's okay. So what is this, a 5-day too? Good Lord. Setting up that kind of div too. I don't know, man. You could actually, let me see here. Point right there. Yeah, man, this thing's populating some hidden. Just from this point right here, right? Populating a little hidden. Nothing could pop right here on the 5-day. Let me see here. Let's work down. Where's the daily? Daily actually is looking pretty healthy. All the Fishers are up, but holy crap, man, that is erratic. Starting to drop in the trend a little bit. Volatility is pretty low on the daily. Yes, it is. Tell you what, man, the peso.
We are open.
We are. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's like, hey, mama, let's go check out SPY. So you're gapping up through the daily range. Gapping up through the daily range. Oh my goodness. 26-cent range. 26-cent range. The dollar was, let me see it real quick. Yeah, 101.58, huh? It's still up there by the, I'll tell you what I need. I need all these back. Give me 1 second. Come on. There you are. Slow booger. Okay. Get the dollar back up on here. So that gapped up. I almost said gack. That gapped up to 1SD, huh? Just hanging out up there. It's 409. No, 408.87. There it is. 409 is a 4 hour. Probably first standard deviation. And very interesting. You did gap up through the daily range too. Man, this thing is tight. It's dollar dumps here. SPY probably going to rip. And the daily range has been tested. But you got a lot of overhead resistance. We've talked about this. I mean, it gapped up through this weekly and monthly support level that flipped resistance. Like I said, dollar's bearish, man. Dollar's bearish. You can do all this you want, man. I don't think you're going to get above that monthly range. I really don't. Not saying it can't happen, but it's a very high probability it doesn't. These markets going to rip today? Possibly. Possibly. You're right at the bottom of the monthly and the weekly. Pretty much. Right? 409, where is it? 409.86. 409.86. 30 cents away. And you've got the dollar set, or you've got the dollar set. You got the data set on the dollar in between the daily and the weekly. It was up here, right? In between the monthly and the weekly. It's tricky right now. Not going to lie. It's pretty damn tricky. Pretty damn tricky. Let me see. Go over here real quick. Throw this back on SPY. Boop. Yeah, there's the bull div. There's the bull div on the 4 hour on SPY. Starting to play out right now. Crossing the zero mean. Right? Crossing the zero mean on the bull div. That's what you're waiting for. And indeed is what you are waiting for. What now? What now? Okay, let's see here. Hanging on to the Fisher down here too, man. I mean, if this thing's going to bounce, good spot. And where did it bounce to on the 4 hour? Not only up at the 1SD on the daily, it's up above the reverse wave trend. Yep, not by much. Not by much. About 50 cents. Let's see if that's sustainable. Let's see if that's sustainable. I mean, you were outside the power mean band. It definitely came in. This is not a good setup on SPY, though. It really isn't. The 9 and 33 log MA are both bearish. Tight power mean band. Let's blow this up, get a better look. Yeah, man. Now, could this shoot up to 410 area, 411 area? It could, just to test this power mean band, but considering the wave trend was right there, this is tricky. I'm telling you, man, this is tricky. Especially if that kind of move pre-market. Drop down here. See where this is at on the 90. So I'm looking for this pre-market move on one of these low time frames. Probably going to nail the top side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Populate, baby. Populate. There's the bull div on the 90. We saw it on the 4 hour. Here it is on the 90. Right. Positively correlated. All the Fishers are turning up too. Yeah, man. This thing's looking like it wants to run a bit. This thing's looking like it wants to run a bit, which is fine. Power means, what are you doing, buddy? You're taking a while here. Yeah, I'm finally timed out. One day, trading view. One day. Pretty much just getting a bounce off the zero mean here. Didn't have a lower low. Didn't have a lower low on the data set. Pretty flat, actually. That's like a little bit of weak bull. So if we're down here on the 45-minute, though, look at the volatility read, man. Look at the volatility read. If you're in a trade from yesterday, right? If you were bullish going into the close yesterday, you hit it. You hit it this morning. Take your profit. Look at the 45. Just retested the wave trend. Volatility's expanded. Grades at the top as well. Right at the freaking 45-minute wave trend. Great area to take your profit. Indeed. What from the last area right here, where is that the wave trend? Setting up hidden bear. Setting up hidden bear. Boop. Right. Here we go. Higher high.
It's going to go up, down, or sideways.
That's right. So yeah, volatility, once again, even on SPY, telling you to take your profit. Let's see where did that 90 go? Come on, populate, you fool. I just want to see how far away it is. Come on. Doesn't like the freaking 90. Doesn't like the 33. Because there's not a lot of traders out there on TradingView that are looking at a 90-minute or looking at a 45 or a 33.
Right.
So it's kind of...
Yeah, pretty much.
It's... Code is like, no. Let me see here. Reverse.
Must struggle.
410.5. I'm 410.4. There's a reverse wave trend on the 90. That's what this is, right? On these low time frames after that, that little dumperoo it had. Going back up, test these wave trends on the low time frame. 90, not quite there. 45 nailed it. 45 nailed it. Boop, right at it. Let's see. Is that I saw a log MA tucked up in there? I think it is. Is that the 9? No, 9's down here. It's a 33. There's a 99. Man, oh man. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, there. All three volatility lengths on the 33 are peaked out. I would be taking profit because you're setting up a bunch of hidden bear too. Wow. Totally, man. Totally. Come on. Populate on the 33, power mean. This run to the top.
YOLO!
Come on, man. Yeah, look, the 33. Right at wave trend. Trying to get above it. But look what you got up here, man. You got the 33 power mean. Look at the power mean band. This thing is fully bearish. I'm saying it can't run to the top side.
Like sewing scoop.
That's the Fisher. That's the Fisher up here hanging right at the top of the power mean band. I'm not going to lie. 412. That thing gets up here, you're going to see a freaking reversal like crazy. If you don't get it right here at wave trend, which...
You are not getting money back.
I could definitely see
my
it.
way.
Get out of my way. I could definitely see this happening. Especially if this returns oscillator turns down. There's some bear div. It's literally screaming, take your profit on SPY. Screaming it. Let's see where the 15-minute went. Big ass pre-market outlier. Boom. Thing smoked. And on the 15-minute, screaming at you to take profit. All these low time frames. All these time frames are screaming take profit when it comes to volatility. Man, I can't believe this is taking so long. Come on, man. Only when I'm streaming. If I were to end this stream right now, boom, that thing would just populate. Guarantee it. Yeah, so you're up at the 99 log MA. Makes sense. And you got the 15-minute reverse Fisher at 411.6. 411.6. Now, where was that 90-minute? 411.6. How about just a quick wham? Just populate for me. Takes up half the stream just waiting for this indicator to populate. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Was that 411.6? 411.6, 15-minute reverse Fisher. Come on, man. There you go. 411.6. Yeah, nothing there, man. You are retesting these wave trends. You trying to trick me, aren't you? Look at the dollar. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Be careful here. Be careful, longs. Be real careful. Let me see. Let's get tricky on this motherfucker. Back to the VRE. SPY. You're getting your own stage here, big dog. Because you deserve it. You're such a special little shitcoin. Come here. Just want to get a good look here. Let me see something. It's into the monthly range. Into the monthly range. Old SPY. Load. That's right. You better load. Where are these bears at, man? I'm telling you. They're creeping. They are creeping. 95.4 Laplace is right below the center. Right below the center of the monthly. Take a peek over here real quick. The BTEs. What is... Okay, yeah, I see that. What is this tight daily range down here at? 405? 405 puts, huh? Oh, man. 17 cents.
15 cents.
Wow. Fucking begging me to grab some. I don't know, though. I don't know if I like the 405. I more like the support level right here, man. The 407s. What are they? They're only 37 cents. 406s are a quarter. So you got the center of the monthly range, 95.4 Laplace right below it, second standard deviation right above it. You got the top. You got the top of the daily range right here. Pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Like 412. 412 area. Just go make sure. Yeah, that's it. 412. Man, it's tight. Holy shit. Are all those inside the 95.4 Laplace? Boy, close. So the top of the range is at the second standard deviation. I'm telling you right, man, if this thing gets up here to 412. Wow. 412s. Yeah, they're not cheap. What, 50 cents? Man, there might be some profit to be made there, to be honest.
Well, considering they started at 18 cents, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. This area, though.
I like the type.
Yeah, I do too. Especially if it gets up here around the 95.4 Laplace, that could be the entry for like a 4, like for the support level right here to maybe a 407, 408. Those things will get cheap too, man. Those things will get cheap. And the expected move, where's the expected move right now to the downside? 408.
408.
412 or 4012 412 4 Jesus, I'm laughing, that's hilarious. About 412, I don't know, 412 and a quarter to the top side. 412 and a quarter, huh? What's the center? What's the center? What's the second standard deviation? 412 and a quarter. Hilarious. So the 1 SD to the top side is the expected move. Downside 408, which is pretty much right at the support level. Yeah, man. I do. If this thing goes up to 412, I like the 408 puts. What are they down to? 52 cents right now. This is tough up here for SPY. Big time. Toughy. That's what I want to see. I just wanted to blow it up to get a better look. I mean, this area right here, I mean, you got the top of the resistance of the daily range, second standard deviation. the expected move, center of the monthly, 95 for Laplace.
And you went third standard deviation on the band and RML bands.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's a 3 SD on the 4 hour, too.
Oh!
Yeah, man. 3 SD on the 4 hour. God, if this data set gets up here, look for a freaking immediate rejection. Let me pop this back up. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, boop, bop, boop.
It's a scam.
It is a scam. This is crazy. What is happening? The old dollar. Yeah, so you got a battle going on here. I'm telling you, man. You got bulls right here. You got bears right here. They're like, let's do this. Trench warfare, baby. Let's go. There's some. We're gonna bloody up some folks here. Something's got to give here. Something's got to give. And we're seeing on those low time frames, right, on this SPY move pre-market, man, the volatility is screaming take profit. It's never saying it can't go higher because that volatility can stay peaked out at 100 percentile, right? It can stay peaked out up there. But usually when that happens, you want to see the correlation break, right? You want to see the correlation break probably. Interesting. Yeah, it's a tricky little play right now. It's gold getting wrecked. It's gold down to 203. Yeah, monthly range. Incoming little monthly range here. If it breaks down below, Jesus. And look how tight the weekly was. You got this tight weekly range. Literally. Below the monthly. I'm telling you, if gold gets down below like 1990, look for I'm talking a flush. Because these gold bears, they're just going to be moving down. If this data set drops into these ranges, they're going to set up shop at the top of the monthly here, which right now, the bulls are probably sitting here. So it's going to take a trend to get down into this. This is a lot of support right here. The problem is you got the weekly below the monthly. Got the weekly below the monthly. SPY's just trying to sit up in the bottom side of this monthly range. Yeah, man. Such a low probability to get by this area right here. That's why if it gets up here, definitely looking into some puts. Because you got the dollar literally trying to find some legs up here on this type above the weekly range. Okay? It's above the 68.3 Laplace. And it's it's just centered right here, dead at the center of the weekly. Let's see, pop in. Oil going back up, huh? Oil got wrecked last few days. What's that? Coin? Coinbase up 10.6%. Damn. Yeah, Bitcoin's going to be a resilient little dog here. Bitcoin, hey guys, look out for Bitcoin. I'm telling you, man, Bitcoin's going to rip. Bitcoin's going to rip for sure. We saw 30. How are you going to like 40? How are you going to like 50? It's coming, man. If I would have had breakfast before stream, I might have. They could do it like Cinqo de Mayo shot at Tequila on live stream. It's a plant. I'm a vegetarian. Sue me.
Is there something stopping you now?
Yeah,
it's just cactus juice or something.
Yeah, man. It's freaking. I'm a vegetarian, right? Juice. It's okay. That's why I love ground beef. What do cows eat? Cows eat grass. What the fuck, man? That's all that cow meat is. It's just grass. Dude, I saw the funniest ass video. There was a bunch of vegans having a protest, and they're like they're in the middle of some downtown, sitting in the middle of the street, like these simps do, right? Like these simps do. There's this dude, he walks right up and he's got this big chicken sandwich. He's fucking, he's eating this big chicken sandwich in front of them all. And so they zoom in because they all got these like masks on, and he's to like the right side, and all of them, you can see their eyes. They're all just watching him. I wish they didn't have the masks on to see the looks on their faces. There's nothing more fun than to mess with vegans. Indeed. And trust me, if somebody's vegan, you'll know. They love to talk about it, right? They love to talk about it. And usually they're the most unhealthy looking creatures around. I was a vegan for a little while. I had never felt as weak in my life. It's like, oh, what the hell am I doing? Where's it? I'm gonna go take a bite out of a cow butt. Where's it at? Yeah, vegetarian.
I mean, I'm vegan every time. I'm vegan every time between sessions of eating meat or cheese or other animal products.
Exactly. People are like, you never fast. I was like, I fast between meals. What are you talking about? I'm always fasting. No, I do go on. It's springtime, clean time. What do I got back here?
Seems like it's always back and forth, huh?
Oh yeah, right. Here's how you start the party. We got our liver detox, liver gallbladder. We got our kidney bladder detox, and the colon cleanse is on its way. It's a little bit behind schedule. Springtime, clean time. All right? Give your body a break. Give your body a break. Clean out your organs. I know so many people that have stones, right? What are stones? Yeah, we're gonna have a little healthcare seminar. It's calcified emotion. That's all it is, right? You get all you got to do is detox yourself. And there's a reason why doctors say, or the old doctors back in the day, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You know why? When you eat an apple a day, not only is what's in the apple seed? It's like that mild
cyanide.
Cyanide. So what happens is that cyanide and the apple juice itself, it will soften. It softens stones. It softens stones. That's why if that's in your diet where you're eating an apple a day, they're not talking about just eat around the core. They're talking about eat the whole apple. Chew up the seeds, eat the seeds, eat everything. That's that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It'll keep all the stones, and then like having some sort of adding some oil into your diet, right? Like tablespoon, whoop, throwing it down. That lubes up the stones. You never even feel them, right? You'll just extract them, pee them out, poop them out, whatever. If you've ever done a real liver gallbladder cleanse, you know what I'm talking about. It's intense, man. But there's no pain. There's no pain. Some of the pain that people go through, they have to have surgeries to have this shit removed. All you got to do is clean your body. Hey, okay. All right. We'll take a rain check on the healthcare seminar. Just a quick little springtime, clean time, man. All right. Your body. Take care of the vessel. Take care of the vessel.
It's amazing what turmeric will do too.
Yeah, man. For inflammation and stuff. Yeah, every day I do
oh my God.
Like a cup of hot
it's actually
water.
Excellent for the gut too.
Oh yeah. I do the apple cider vinegar, raw honey, turmeric, a little cinnamon, a little dash of pepper. Little dash of pepper activates the turmeric. It's great for inflammation. Holy crap! As you get old, yeah, man, it's good.
Then a nice thick steak in the evening.
That's right, big thickie. Hell yeah! Gotta have balance. Gotta have balance.
Broccoli. Throw in some broccoli.
You're good.
Cheese sauce.
Yeah, exactly. It's funny. Yeah, I'm right there with you. Gotta have balance. Gotta have some balance. Okay, what are we doing? Gold dumping. Bitcoin working its way back up to what resistance level is this? First resistance level on the daily, right about 29.3. Yeah, 29.275. We break by here, Bitcoin probably going to run up to the 1 SD. You see, did it make a run today? Oh, it sure did. I mean, to the dollar. Let's show the power. The power of Grayskull. Who remembers He-Man? Boy. Okay, dog. She needs to chill, man. Daisy, go lay down. You little shit. Get this on Bitcoin. Boop, 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 boop. You being a pain in my butt? There we go. There was the 1SD test. Little wick there. Boop. Then it pulls right back down. Found a little support at first at the center of the monthly. Pumped back up to that first resistance level. Whoop. Got wicks down through the bottom of the monthly range. Right? None of them closed. Below, and what is that on? That's the top of the weekly. That's right. Yeah, you're gonna have to. It's gonna data set's gonna definitely try to stay above this monthly. And what did I say? The rest of this week, this data set needs to stay up here, right? Anywhere like 29.5, 29.250, closing this area, you're going to get this new weekly range up above the monthly, and that's what you want. Next week could be the move. Next week could be the move. If it doesn't rocket ship this weekend, right? That'll definitely move up the weekly range. And then probably give you a good area of a pullback where it's going to test that new weekly range. Is what you don't want to do is open up below it, right? You don't want to open up below the new, and that's going to happen if you get down below like 28.5, close down here somewhere. Yeah, because you're going to have a new weekly populate up here somewhere probably. Want to open up the new week above that range, gives you a nice place to pull back, test that weekly range, and jump from there. Good stuff. So Bitcoin just setting up. Let's see if we can pop anything else on here. What is moving? Oh, bonk, you shit coin. Oh, bonk, you shit coin. I think I still got 1 billion of those little shitters sitting around somewhere. Bonk to a penny. No. You got all these rando meme shit coins just pumping. Oh my God. It's insanity, right? People making a ton of cash on that crap. Do we care about Ethereum? Not in the slightest. Total gas scam. Don't want nothing to do with it.
What's your profanity?
Yeah, man, I tried.
It's a scam.
It is a big scam. Incredible scam. Back to traditional. Crypto's doing what it's going to do. I think it's about to blow the top off here at some point. So let's see here. Check gold one more time. Yeah, it's slipping. Jesus, slipping. Almost down there. Almost down there. Wow.
Oh, that's a reverse inverted triple double long Z bar.
So triple ending. Hey guys, and do we remember? Remember when I talked about the top of the weekly range on gold? There it is right there. On a tight weekly. First, second, third. Did it get above it? Yeah. Not for long though. Not for long. Now it's pulled back inside. And because of that tight weekly, and I'm seeing this thing could go down and test this weekly, man. That's what, 1990? Yeah. It's literally a 50 cent. About a 56 cent range on an asset that's worth $2,000. All right. That is tight.
That is the Schill pattern. The Peter Schill pattern.
This is the Peter Schill. You get below here, man, gold is going to be in trouble. But here's the thing. I mean, you had this up move. Let's see.
Yep.
I mean, this weekly range is going to move up. If it stays up here. Right? If it stays, I mean, you dump down here today below here. Which I'm telling you, man.
Yep.
Seeing how tight that is, and we already trend at the top side, coming back, right? Coming back and testing this weekly before the close here kind of makes sense, man. I'm not going to lie, but the bulls are down here. The bulls are waiting, maybe at the monthly. It's going to take some trend to get down below this weekly. If it does, though, you get a late day flush out here on gold big time. Let's see. What else can we peek? 80 IWM. Oh, wow. VIX down big time. Interesting. VIX down. Silver back around $25, 25 and a quarter. Futures 25 and a half. Yeah, Coinbase up 12.2. Let's see where the sucker's at. 3SD right out of the gate, huh? Got a wick right to the 3rd standard deviation on the daily. Gee, many Christmas. That's a hell of a move, Coinbase. Pre-market up above the 2SD, pulled back, bounces off the 2nd standard deviation, sends a wick right to the 3rd. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at the range. Look at the daily range. Was it close enough? Did it gap to? Yeah, it was close enough. I mean, hell, it was closed right at the top. It's a perfect little launch point. Perfect little launch point. So, that being said, let me see here. Where is, and it's, yeah, there's a center of the weekly right there. Center of the weekly. Coinbase. You gonna get up? You gonna get up before close here? Above like 56? Close up here by the 3SD? I mean, right now, there's a 95.4% chance this thing pulls back inside 53.60. 95.4 Laplace is down here at 53.40. So yeah, probably going to pull back inside this. Usually
it's gonna
does.
go up, down, or sideways.
Yep. I probably see down. Already tested. Is that what resistance level is this on the monthly? Probably the 1st, I would imagine. Where are you monthly? Let me scale this down. What the? Oh, there it is. What am I talking about? It's the bottom of the monthly. Good Lord. Remember that off. Yeah, it's the bottom of the monthly too. Reject there, 3SD. That's what this thing was shooting for. Going up to hit that monthly range. Has that thing even been tested, man? No, it hasn't. There's the bottom right here, right? Opened up the new month and just dumped. Just dumped out. Okay, well, that makes sense. That makes sense. This thing's running to test that monthly range. I mean, hey, it did. Look at the wick. Definitely close enough. Monthly range has been tested. This tight daily. Oh, now I guarantee I go over here. Let me throw this on Coinbase. I guarantee you're going to see these volatility reads screaming take profit. Where are you? Where in the fuck are you, Coinbase?
2 hours later.
Boy, this is just shitty. Where in the... Oh, I'm on crypto. What the fuck? Yeah, Coinbase. It's a stock, dude. You dumbass. Looking on crypto for Coinbase. They handle crypto. But yeah, it's a publicly traded company. Jesus.
Yeah, boy.
Chipotle. Man, these Chipotles are popping up everywhere. Everywhere. Good for them, man. That corporation's banging. Yeah, look. Take your profits. Take your profits. 90 minutes screaming, take your profit. Where's this at on the 4-hour? I would imagine this thing's probably testing the wave trend. Not yet. What's that up at? 58? 58. What's that up here at the... What resistance level is that on the weekly? Oh, that's a 1st. Yeah, because you got the weekly here, bottom of the monthly. First resistance level is the reverse wave trend on the 4-hour. But like I said, you're messing around with those probabilities, right? 3SD, it's a 99.7% chance that data set's not going to close above there. Right here. And it's just right below the bottom of the monthly. Could you get a wick up to there to test that 4-hour wave trend? Sure you could. I mean, it's almost right on top of each other. But you get up above this area, there's a 99.7% chance it closes inside 56.30. Then there's a 95.4% chance it closes in like inside 53.70. I'll take this whole range. 95.4 Laplace and 2nd standard deviation. They're both in 95.4% probability levels. It's just there's no standard deviations, right? There's no standard deviations in Laplace distribution. That's normal distribution. The bell curve of normal distribution. Did you ever think you'd be using this shit in trading? A lot of things when you're in school, you're just like, I'll never use this crap. And then how many times later in your life you're like, oh shit, I'm using this crap. I should have paid more attention. Cancel. No, I don't want to leave the site. Trying to kick me off. You little dirty dog. Okay, I was scanning these stocks. Yeah, Coinbase leading the way. Leading the way today. What do they know? What does Coinbase know? Key's up 8.7. Jesus, look at Lyft is. I honeypotted this son of a bitch all year. Watch your language. I'm trying, man. Let's look at Lyft. Holy, Lyft is wrecked, man. This thing's back down below 9. Boy, this is ugly. Ugly. Is that the 4th standard deviation? Yes, it is. Look at the tight range on Lyft. Wow. Has it trended? I'd say so. Right to the 5th standard deviation on the 4-hour candle. Good Lord, man. Lyft.
I go take my siesta now.
You need to get your shit together, Lyft. Uber's kicking your ass. Where are you, Uber? Where are you, Uber? I think you're down here, aren't you? You at the bottom? No, where are you?
2 hours later.
Come on, Uber. Show us. Damn it, where are you? Got this thing all misplaced somewhere. When the hell am I having trouble finding Uber? This is ridiculous.
You what?
There it is. Yeah, Uber's chilling. 37.75, up 0.72%, as their competitor is getting wrecked. All the Uber drivers are shorting the Lyft drivers. Fuck. Probably a lot more Uber drivers. You're in trouble, Lyft. You poking the hornet's nest. It is Uber. It was fun taking Ubers in Miami. Motherfuckers don't even speak English, man. What is the hell is that all about? I'm trying to talk to my Uber driver. He's like, oh, I don't speaky. I'm like, what? Okay. Well, probably say that just because they don't want to talk. I mean, these guys down there, they speak English. It's pretty funny, though.
Yeah.
Pretty funny. Had a good time. Ubered all around. Takes like, hell, it would have been better just renting a bike. Takes like an hour to go 5 miles. It's just stupid. Stupid. Had a good time, though. Partied. Indeed. Had a party. Yeah, Uber. Jesus. You can't even get back up above the daily 4th standard deviation. We're talking 0.9999 percentile level. Finally found support on the 5th standard deviation on this 4-hour candle. That's brutal. That's brutal. And it's not bouncing. Right, just hanging out down here. Damn, somebody put the short switch on this poor sucker. Is that the monthly support level? Which one? The second? Yeah, second. There's the 3rd right down here. It's the bottom of the monthly range. Guys, you're below the weekly. You're below the bottom of the weekly range, and this shit is not bouncing out of here. That is a massive sign of weakness. Deviation levels, volatility range, support levels. Where is the bottom on this freaking icky? Well, they had earnings, obviously. They don't look too bad. Hilarious. And the thing just dumps. Gotta love it. Any news? Let's see. Of course, news for Lyft. Yeah, you're going to talk about Lyft? No. Nothing. Not one freaking article. I just wanted to see what they were saying in the news about it. Oh, this is why Lyft's dumping. Really? Is that what you think? I don't know. Yeah, but this is literally, oh my God. Thank God I'm not invested in this shit show. But, that being said, let's see here, man. Let's see if this was set up. Let's see if the setup on the earnings play. Oh, God, that is disgusting. Yeah, guys, look at this. Look at the bear div setup on the 4-hour going into the earnings, man. Lots of bear div. Z-score, returns oscillator, not the Fisher, DLP, right at the top. But look, right when it crosses zero mean, it started to dump out. Then you get this higher high right here. Market open. Oh, You are in freaking, let's see on these high time frames. 5-day. See if this tested some. Hey, Uber. Hey, Lyft. Lyft, if I were you, I would transition to Uber. We live in clown world. Can stocks transition too? There's only Lyft and Uber. There is no. My God, this is so bearish. Ugh, gross. This chart is sick. I thought I'd go up onto high time frame and see Uber coming down to test a wave trend. No.
Like sewing scoop.
This thing's a shit show. 3-day. Let's blow this up so we can really see. Goodness gracious, man, this is ugly. Damn, you had wave trend cross down Fisher here. Kind of rejected off the 33 power mean. Yes, you did. This thing is gross, man. What in the heck is happening to Lyft? Ugh. There was the wave trend test, and it rejected hard. That's on the 2-day. Look at that 2-day candle, man. Nothing dropped from below the 33 power mean. 1094. 2.25 points, pretty much. That's a lot when you're talking about it's only $10, man. It's a big dump on a freaking 2-day candle. Was it 20%? Let me see. Well, let's just see from the wave trend. Yeah, man, 25% pretty much. Pretty nuts, oh. Oh, man. And on the daily, you're trying to get some legs. Are you kidding me? Look at this on the daily. Power mean band was starting to flip bullish. You got up above. Here you're at outside the power mean band. You come up. You test that wave trend. Apparently found a little support here. Mean reverting in some of these different power mean lengths. And then you bust to the top side, right? Everything's good. Hey, earnings. God, if I'm looking this on the daily, what a shit show. People got wrecked here, man. If I'm telling you right now, if I would have taken this earnings play, what's this look like on the 4-hour? I mean, obviously you were outside the power mean band, so I would have had caution there. But still, look, the power mean band was chasing down price action. I mean, this is one of those situations where I would have been like, hey, man, maybe this bounces. Maybe this earning play is going to rocket up here like 11, 12. Look what it did. Jesus, man. On good earnings? People taking profit. Well, there's a lot of people, including myself. Look, I triple dipped on this thing this year. Let's pull this in. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's put this on back on a daily. Yeah. Boom. Down here at 8, right? Got in here, right? That was coming into the end of the year. This was like coming into the new options here in January. Definitely got it. I remember getting in at like damn near the bottom. It was 9. It was like 9, high 9s somewhere. Bought premium. It was a no-brainer. Bought premium. And then, man, look at that. God, it happening again. People just massively taking profits. Rode that power mean band up, and look at that. Jesus, look at that pre-market dump. Whoa! Whoa! Remember? We remember this. Lyft was literally about $19 almost. $19. And then pre-market dumps all the way down to almost 50%. But yeah, if you're looking at this on the daily, you're like, oh yeah, earnings play. Yeah, maybe going to run up here. I'm looking at the 99 log MA. Maybe getting into a defined risk, right? Defined risk vertical. Probably buying premium. Call vertical. And you got fucking absolutely nuked, wrecked. Lost all that premium. Lost that premium, which it probably would have been. I don't know. I would have had to look, but it wouldn't have been. You would have lost some money. That's for damn sure. What a hell of a fake out this is. I'm glad I saw this. Lyft, you are just a treacherous little thing, aren't you? Down 19% almost. Fuck. And no end in sight. No end in sight. Where's the low? Where's the low? They going to give people another opportunity? Because I'm telling you, yeah. You know what? Let me go over here real quick. Where are you, Lyft? What's the implied volatility on this sucker? Let me see here. L-Y. Yep. Oh, really? L-Y. You're not even going to pull up for me? Hey, come on. Where are you? There you are. Let's see here. June expiration, 42 days out. Perfect entry right now. All right. I try to get in. If we're doing longer term moves, like about 45 days out. And then I try to exit the position 21 days. 21 days of expiration. And where is this? Where are we at right now? 8.64. 8.64. No butterfly. We're gonna do a long call, vertical, go. So they're having me buy the 10, sell the 11. No, sir. No, sir, indeed. I'm actually going to go down here. The problem is right here, there's nothing down here, man. There's nothing down here. I'd feel safe buying the 7.5, and then selling the 11. That would take about, I mean, that's not a bad trade at all. Really, not a bad trade. Max loss $134, max profit $216. I mean, it's one of those little trades, right? $132 in buying power. This is one of those things, though, right? If that thing continues to drop, I would exit the position. I'm not going to lose all that premium. I would be safe in losing like 30 bucks of it, right? Then save that 100, throw that back in the till. But the way this looks, that would be my play on Lyft. That would be my play on Lyft, for sure. I mean, let's just say you're gonna. The expected move though is 10. You move this up. That's pretty much what I'm doing here. The expected move to the downside is 7.5. That's why I'm buying that. 10 on the top side. Didn't change very much. Profit went down almost $100. But yeah, max loss still at 118. Yeah, might as well buy the 11 or sell the 11. But what if? Let's see what a freaking bullish butterfly, especially big broken fuck. Let's see here. Go up to the 1SD. 12.5 to the top, 5 to the bottom. That's gonna be a high profit trade. Not really, man. 5% on P50? What the fuck am I looking at here? This is why. What's it at? 8.68? Maybe gonna move that down. Yeah, there we go. Then pull this inside the 1SD. That's right, buddy. There we go. Little butterfly, max loss 100, max profit 145. That's just one lot, right? Trade like this, maybe you jump in on 5, make a quick almost grand, $600 if you get all the meat of the trade. All right. Poor Lyft. Sorry, Uber. Didn't mean to call you Lyft. Or called Lyft Uber. Jesus, I need to get off this. It's fried my brain. Okay, let's see here. Outlier. Can we pop to? Yeah, man, these volatility reads are down. What is happening over here? Let's pop this back on. Everybody, see the dance. Big dogs out here raising hell early morning. Lyft, I'm going to change you back to Dixie, man. You are just looking rough. God, it's depressing even looking at it. Yeah, here we go. Dollar dumping out. What's Bitcoin doing? Got to be pumping. Surprised. Got sold back at 22.2. After the gold dump, gold is on the struggle bus a bit down here, man. Gold is on the struggle bus. You got the, let's see, there's the daily. Is that the 1, 2, 3? There's the bottom down there at, what we got, 1950. It was a great year. Yeah, I wasn't alive. It's coming in hot. Summer love, 1969, baby.
Bruh.
Bruh, it was a summer of love. Yeah. I could quite possibly not be here, to be honest. My dad was in Vietnam. He was radio telecommunications, NCOIC. So he was on the top floor. Where do you think he was? He was on the top floor of the Hanoi Hilton. Got out of there. Fuck. You could have got fucking slayed. Good job, Dad. That's why I'm here. Another stupid war. He agreed 100%. It's all dumb, man. All stupid. Okay, so we got Solana creeping up into the weekly range here, but you got this tight monthly. I'm surprised Sol hasn't been. Has it? It did. It tested that monthly, didn't it? The other day. Has it tested this thing this month? No. So Sol's the weekly did. The weekly got tested. Solana's monthly range has not been tested. That's up here at, we got about 23 bucks. Could be running there right now. This dollar making its way back to the daily range. We could see crypto getting ready to pop here. Coinbase is already ripping, right? Coinbase is ripping. What's it at now? It's up almost 13% now. Minis are ripping. SPY's hanging up in this monthly range. It indeed is. Yeah, I mean, you got. I mean, I like the put here, but you got. It's not going to happen. I mean, that range has been tested. Doesn't have to go down. If that dollar would have stayed above the weekly and got some legs, but it's set up so bearish. It's set up so bearish. These are just fruitless little pumps, right? Just a waste of energy. Because the dollar is looking like crap, man. And the markets are going to thrive if the dollar's weak. This is what I'm surprised. This is, I mean, guys, the dollar is dumping out from the early morning run up here, pre-market. Gold, look at gold. Gold's just down here, hanging. Wow, man. Yeah, and you got that tight weekly range. Tight weekly range on gold, and it's below that first resistance level. It dumped right down below it. Found some support on the daily. I think that's the second. But the fact this thing hasn't popped out of this hole and got back inside the daily 95 for Laplace and 2 SD, that doesn't look good for gold, man. Especially if you see the dollar data set get down here and test the bottom side of the 68.3 and gold has not popped up, back up. This thing is in trouble. Trouble. Can you say trouble? Damn sure could. Yeah, man. You could be looking at some trouble. Let BTC take the reins, man. BTC is not afraid, gold. All right. BTC is a bull. Indeed. God, it's already been an hour and 23 minutes, huh? Wowzer. Bowser. Incredible. Beautiful day, man. It's supposed to be like 75, sunny. The forest finally all filled in. Yeah. Got some starts in, some peppers and tomatoes. I didn't have time to freaking get my gardens because I'm building a big raised bed garden. Yeah, I'm way behind schedule. So I'm going to grow in containers. Fuck it. A lot easier. I think I got 12 so far. I'm probably going to have about 36. Tomatoes, peppers, maybe some cucumbers. Can some, make some pickles. I love canning.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So I like to make salsa and marinara, stuff like that. With all my tomatoes and peppers, and then just can it. And all winter, I ain't chilling. I get a little fat though because I'm eating a lot of tortilla chips. Arriba! A lot of pasta, a lot of tortilla chips for the salsa. Yep. And I'll tell you, you just can't do that. You can't eat burritos and all that Mexican food getting in later life. Maybe you haven't noticed. I used to date a fine-looking Mexican woman, right? Man, they turn into at about 30, they literally turn into burritos. I don't know if you fucking have noticed. No offense to you Mexican ladies out there. You need to change your diet, though. Because they literally turn into burritos. It's like, what the fuck? Senorita, you were so smoking hot. Sexy Latino women, though, man. Jeez, drive me crazy. Oh my God. If you're watching this on TradingView, yep, you're probably not going to find another group like us. Guarantee it.
I go take my siesta now.
Because we are all nuts. Here, I got to get more coffee. Dude, throw your shameless plugs out.
Oh yeah, let me throw you my shameless plug. It is Friday. It is Cinqo de Mayo, so we're having an extra double special on the Dos Equis of the free trial. And basically, if you come into the Discord today and you request your 2-week free trial, we will give you your 2-week free trial of our top premium indicators. Plus, we will wish you a happy Cinco de Mayo, because why not? And yes, and it's we are a fun group of traders. We like to enjoy helping people to learn a better way to trade. And as you can see by the indicators on the charts that are in front of you during this live stream, those indicators are very accurate, and that is why we use them. And not only that, the indicators come with, we actually give you charts to start with, and you can literally follow along if you want to do that. Although we highly recommend building out your own charts with the indicators, because that will help you learn them even faster. But, you know, we understand that sometimes people like to say, oh, you know, can I at least see what's going on in your chart, on my chart, and make it easier to learn this way? Yeah, so we offer that too. We just give it out for free to people who have our indicators, or get up, you know, sign up to our free trial. Either, you know, by the way, you can start out with the volatility starter pack of indicators, which is actually just free access. It's not limited in time, as long as you're an active member of the Discord. And that will help you learn the fundamentals of trading volatility, probability, statistics, by basically making sure that you have the tools to see volatility and the correlation to the price action, as well as the alpha laser returns, which shows you whether returns are going up or down from the mean, as well as our alpha volatility quality, which is freely available on our TradingView profile. That is a highly directional indicator for trading for scalps. Extremely powerful, especially when you're learning how to trade this way. So yeah, check it out. That's the volatility starter pack. You can get those for free. Just come on into the Discord, request that in a ticket, and when you have learned the tendencies, which are crucial and fundamental and elemental to this way of trading, and there's only 6 of them to learn. When you've learned those 6 tendencies of what price action tends to do when the volatility and the correlation move certain ways, or when the entropy and its correlation move certain ways, well, then you're ready to really, in my opinion, go for the 2-week free trial of our premium indicators. When you've done that, within a couple of weeks, and some people just skip the volatility starter pack, by the way, they just go straight for the premium indicators, and that's fine too. We got folks who've done that, and they're happy with that. Check it out. And yeah, you'll see for yourself. I mean, there are folks right in here that have done that within a couple of weeks of starting out with the premium indicators. They've figured out enough about what we do to understand, oh yeah, these tools are really good, and you know, they're here trading. So I highly recommend trading the VEPS if you want to learn a better way to trade. Anyway, that said, back to you in the studio.
Hello, sir. In celebration of Cinco de Mayo, who put the Baileys up by my coffee? What the hell? I put a little Baileys in my coffee. What the hell?
Baileys is good.
Who doesn't like Baileys in coffee? Good shit.
For sure.
It's a great little way to start off Revenge of the 5th. Right? First you get May the 4th be with you, and then it's Revenge of the 5th.
Right.
So, getting dirty. Let's see. Not a lot, though. I'm not stupid. I got a lot of shit to do today. Bailey's is addictive, too. Oh, I'll just have one. The next thing you know, then you're just drinking it on the rocks.
I'll just have one bottle.
Nothing gives you a bigger hangover than fucking pounding a bunch of Baileys, all that sugar and shit. Oh my God.
Right.
Such a bad hangover. Whiskey and sugar. Not a good mix.
Tis the devil.
It is the devil. Let's see here. Yeah, we got all kinds of good stuff. Yes.
Yes, I know. My 900 IQ is quite large.
Okay, not quite 900. So, the dollar, is it going to bounce here off the daily range? The weakness of the dollar literally has shot, look at where it shot the NASDAQ minis, right to the top of the monthly range, monthly and weekly. All right, we know how these are set up. Same with the S&Ps. Got to the bottom. It's inside, though. Inside the weekly and the monthly now. Ran it right up there. Yes, it did. Solana, center of the weekly. All right, got a wick right to it. Bitcoin, sitting right at this resistance level in the daily. Can't get by it. If it does, it's going to run up to that 29.5 area. First standard deviation. Looking like it wants to push. Looking like it wants to push. Meanwhile, gold. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, can't get back up above this first resistance level. Yeah, can't get back up above it. Wow, man. You dump back in. I'm surprised gold didn't dump down to test. Test is tight weekly. Under 2K. It's bouncing right there at 2. Look at that. I mean, hilarious. Right at 2 grand. Bounced. Interesting. Interesting indeed. But you're way down here. Is that the second or third? Is that the third resistance or support? That actually is the third support level on the daily. That's what the green line is right there. Did not close a candle below it. Do I think it's gonna? It is a big possibility this is going to. It's on a mission to get down. Test the monthly, weekly down here. I mean, it came really close, but a few more points. Especially, I mean, gold dumped with the dollar. It's never good. Especially if the dollar gets legs and does climb up here. You'll probably see gold dump out. Crypto's just chilling. Crypto is a chillin'. No, man, we're running. We are running. There's gold, right? Gold just mean reverted. It's pretty much what happened. Does it bounce here though, or is this thing gonna close some daily candles below? Is this the third? That's the 11. The 11 length RMLR closed below the 30 power mean. If that happens, that is very bearish. I mean, you could definitely see gold back down 1900. We already looked on. Let's pop this on real quick, right? High time frames. We're looking for that wave trend test. And what's that on the daily? It's down at what? 1967. What the 5-day? Tasty. And you're getting ready to get this cross. We already talked about it. Yeah. I mean, I could definitely see gold down around 1900 here at some point. These macro time frames. You're outside the power mean band. Last time it happened, I mean, it was literally about 4 or 5 day candles. Right back to the wave trend. Then found legs, busted right back out the top side again. People are drawing on their charts, I'm sure. Chart drawing. Where, let's see on this move. Let's turn off the power mean band. Boop. Let's put on a projection boss. There you go. Oh, is it right where I want it to start? No, 1 candle off. Not bad. Let me open this up a little bit. Let's get a better read. We got to back this up one more. Boop. Right there. Yeah, got outside the 95.4 Laplace. Got back inside real quick. Interesting. You had this immediate, right? You get this pump. Got a wick right back down to the mean of the projection, and then it ripped up. Let me take this down to a daily. Let's see, let me move this to. Yep, right here. Not that little bearish doji there. People got wrecked on. Yeah, finding support on the top side of the 95.4 there. Boom, coming right back down. Yeah, what's the revert under? That's 1850. I don't see that happen. Let's move this all the way up to this recent move. on the daily. Where did we get a wick to? Yeah, got outside at 95.4 Laplace. Just kind of checked back up onto the top side of the 68.3. On the daily, full mean reversion, about 1985. Yeah, that was a good year. 1984. I was just was I a sophomore? Can't even remember. My God. I know my high school was winning state championships in football. State championships. I think on those teams had like maybe about a dozen that got scholarships. Maybe about a dozen. I think the running back, what was his name? Bert Austin. Bert, how do I remember that shit? That was so long ago. He was a pit bull, man. Ugh. He was like 5'11", 220, and just fast as shit. He just running over these poor high school kids. Set all kinds of records. Yeah, he went on to Ball State, I think. Ball State. You could look up Bert Austin. I'm sure you'll see something about it. He broke all kinds of Indiana State records. All kinds of them. Let's see. Yeah, the Colts just drafted a hometown kid, Julius Brents. Love it. 6'3", athletic corner. Let's go. We need a good cornerback. Yeah, stream's winding down here. I'm talking about football now.
You win.
Wish we could chart football. That's right. It's an exciting year this year. Finally, it's been fucking quite some time. I mean, I was flying from the West Coast coming in and seeing games. Gets old when you're just getting your ass beat. Now we got some excitement back in the air. And I'm back here. No more flying. Downtown's about 45 minutes. Let's go. Tailgate. Tailgate. Remember 1 year, I think I was on a vegetarian kick, and I come to one of the football games. I look up, we're already drinking whiskey at like 8 o'clock in the morning. My brothers, I've got like these vegetarian breakfast patties. I look over, my brother is basting them with bacon grease. I was like, you motherfucker. So I eat one of those. Yeah, within a half hour, I'm eating bacon. I was like, well, I guess I'm not a vegetarian anymore. Bacon has always been the breaker for me. Anytime I've went on some radical diet, which is stupid. I always feel the best when I'm eating meat. So, yeah, no more of that crap, especially as I'm getting old and decrepit. So, okay. Let me get into the chat real quick and see something. Yeah, dude. He was a beast, man. He was a beast. But you see this defensive end the Colts got in the draft. The guy, what is he? I think he's right. He's like 6'1", 288, 5'4'9". Or no. What did he run in the 40? A 4'4'9" in the 40. Guy's 288 pounds. You want that guy chasing you? Jesus criminy. Pretty nuts. We drafted 2 guys that broke all kinds of combine records. I'm pretty stoked, man. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I was in here just seeing. Nope, he didn't ask. Well, I'm gonna look anyway. Let's see what's going on with our favorite shitcoin. At least Django's favorite. Hey, it's up 1.22% today. No, I'm gonna let's dive into this real quick. Let's see if you got some hope. Which obviously, what's going to happen? It's going to follow Bitcoin, man. Always does. What do we got? A daily? A daily here, huh? Yeah, this is the problem, though. I mean, I can't even get a variance read on the daily. This would be very hard for me to trade. Now, scalping doesn't matter. I'm talking workflow-wise. Variance is a big key for me, too. We got a lot of bear div playing out. Keep an eye on this on the daily there, Django, crossing the zero mean. Look at the Fishers, though, man. Jesus. Pretty erratic. That's good, though. That's good for you. If these things were in lockstep to the downside, I mean, look at the last dump. Woo! They're not, though, man. These things are pretty damn erratic. I can't get an entropy read either, even on the daily. That's kind of a bummer. Only 2 volatility reads. And they're both contracting positively correlated. That's not the best. But I'm telling you, man, we're setting up this bull div. We're setting up this bull div. What's a 4 hour look like? Hidden bull, right? Got the lower low here. Started moving up right when it crosses zero mean. Variance is starting to move. It's positively correlated. Z-score has been to the downside for a while now. Total random walk. Total random walk. Low length volatility contracting negative. 981. Starting to expand negative. And the 2400's expanding positive. This thing's got a little upside, I think. It's obviously going to depend on Bitcoin, but yeah. The DOT up 3.5%. Good for DOT. Good for DOT. I like DOT. What don't I like? ETH. I do not like Ethereum. I won't touch it. I did. I had a bunch. I think on the way up, sold it all at 2K and went in on Cardano. Yep. Then sold that for profit. But kind of turned it into a bunch of JPEGs. Oh,
it's a scam!
Yep. It could be. JPEGs, that is. No, it's not. It's not. They're collectibles, man. Now, this is what everybody's betting on. Are digital collectibles. Is there a future for them? Everything's going digital, so why not? Collectibles have been a thing. People have made a shitload of money, right? Collecting. That's why a lot of people are like, well, I'm investing in this. You're not investing in anything, man. They're collectibles. You're a collector in hopes one day you're going to drop your bag on somebody coming in to collect. That's what you're planning on, right? That's what it's all about. So Aptos on the 4 hour. They're definitely popping on some hidden bull right now. All the fishers are up. It's a random walk. The volatility's staying up. 90 minutes. Nice. A little clear out here. What did that go down to? 9.5? 9.5 all the way to 9.8? 0.3 of a point. Let's see here. Local? No. Really no div. I mean, from right back here. Right back here. No, man. Nope. No div on the 45. This volatility, all the volatility though on the 90 minute, everything's expanding. Everything's expanding, positively correlated. This is a setup. That's what you're looking for right there. All right. So that's the 90. Let's see if the 45's already peaked out. Probably has, yeah. The low length has. But look, everything's positively correlated. So this is one of those instances. If you're just scalping, this is a 45 minute. I mean, it's telling you to take your profit, right? But when you've got all the volatility expanding and it's all positively correlated, there's probably some more meat on the stick. Let's see the 33 minute. Yeah, there's the bull. There's the bull div. Look, yeah, all the volatility is expanding positive down here too. Yes, indeed. And that first expansion to the downside, look, this is why. If you don't take your profit, you're outside the 99.7 Laplace band. It pulls right back up inside. I tried to go to the 95.4 Laplace. If you didn't take your profit there and you were scalping, you look how much you lost. You lost a ton of it. And you got wrecked because you're probably just sitting in the position going, no, I was right. Yeah, we just got a quick pullback. I'll rebound. You're liquidated. You're liquidated, you leveraged degens. I know. What is this shit coin? It's not setting up any bear div. Dropping in the trend right here in the 15 minute. Yeehaw! Okay, there was your analysis. Wait, where are we? Go back to BTC real quick. What are we up to? 380? 15 minute. Z-score sending an outlier in the top side right now. Volatility. All expanding, positively correlated. All the lengths. Yeah, BTC's having a little movie. Moving day. There it goes. What'd I say? 1 SD? Yeah. Yep, I did. In gold. Gold knows where it's at. The fact this thing's not... Now, this is a daily level, right? So by the close today, to get back up inside 2014, you got a 95.4% chance. Pretty good. Pretty good indeed. I'm telling you, man. From what I'm seeing here, this dollar is in trouble. Indeed. Where's that weekly support level? 101. 101. Could we get this by the end of the day? Man, we could get a flush out here. No, though, man.
Holy frijoles!
Holy frijoles. Holy moly, man. Solana's above the mid of its weekly. We know Bitcoin is. Bitcoin's set up for greatness. Got to stay up here over the weekend. Get that new weekly range above the monthly, and next week could be the pump. Next week could be the pump. But like I said at the beginning of the stream, if Bitcoin gets above this daily resistance level here, it's going to run to the 1SD. It's doing it right now. These algos will push there. You got the 4-hour 1SD, though, right here. All right, so how good of a push? Let me see. Didn't I just say? Is that 15-minute trending? It is. You got trend. You got trend. You got contracting volatility, 981.20 or 981 and 525, negatively correlated. Kind of flat, negatively correlated on the 2400. Look, we're having an outlier in the 15-minute. Having an outlier.
You win.
Look at the returns oscillator, though. All right, setting up bear div. The Fishers are strong though. The volatility, the entropy's trending. It's not done, but leading me to believe maybe that 1SD might get a rejection there. And then you're going to wait for this 15-minute to cross the zero mean, because that's when that baby will dump if that bear div is going to play out. There's no correlation right now. Okay, it was negative. Look, when the returns oscillator turned up right here, and you can see, and it was negatively correlated. It was when, let me see. Yeah, that's defying the odds right here, man. It's because of this trend in the volatility, having the outlier. Is this at the 1SD yet? It's getting close. 558.
It's going to go up, down, or sideways.
Yes, it is. And here goes the dollar. The way this is looking, dollar's going to get dirty here. You get below, if you close 15-minute candles here below this daily range, this thing is going to fall. There's the bottom side of the 68.3. You're talking about, we could do a 1SD move to the downside. That's below the first support level on the weekly, first support level on the daily. But you're going to definitely have some bulls here kicking this thing up from the top of the daily. So like I said, it's going to take trend to the downside on the 15. Where you at, dollar? Around 15. Is this thing trending? Random walk. This thing goes into trend. And if you see this turn down, the predictor doesn't flip. Trouble. And you can see this look at the low length volatility contracting. Boom. There's where it broke positive, and you really started getting a slide. Let me see here. Did it go negative here? Boom. Positive, yeah. They're all contracting. 2400's kind of going sideways. But the 981 contracting like that, positively correlated. Yeah, this thing's not down to the downside. Rejection right here off the zero mean. Off of some hidden bear. All the Fishers are down. The last one is getting ready to cross the mean of the bands. And the Z-score, man, making its way down. That's what I'm seeing. Correlation broke negative though, as this is contracting. So I would assume this close, if this thing breaks into that daily range, you're going to see the correlation break. It's going to go back positive, just like the 981 is. And the 2400 is expanding a little bit. Blow this up, man. Is it? Yeah, little bit expansion, and it's negative. And you can see this is what volatility does. Expands, contracts. Oh, look at all this noise down here. This is special noise. This is noise you want to hear. All these breaks in correlation. What do I have this correlation on? Let's go down. Let's see. Where are you? Aggressive predictor. It's very aggressive, my friends. Very aggressive. There it is. 5. Beautiful. I'm on a 5. What am I? 15 minute? Good, good, good. Let's jack this up. Let's go to a 4 hour. Leaving a wick behind like no other. I mean, because it was setting up bear div. Now, I mean, there's no div. All the fishers are up, man. This is a random walk, too. Let's see. I mean, the 2400 is negatively correlated, and it's expanding. 981 is contracting, and it's positively correlated. 525 is contracting. It's breaking into positive correlation right now. It just went back negative. You can see it's flipping back and forth. It's starting to slope positive, though. Boy, I mean, you could leave this 4 hour candle with nobody. This could just end up really ugly here for the dollar. This thing doesn't get some legs quickly. Let me see. I mean, it's trying, though. It's trying to bounce off top of this week or top of this daily range. Boy, if it does, if the dollar bounces here, gold's wrecked. Gold's wrecked because it dumped with the dollar. It sure did. Right here, right here. Continue down to that monthly range. Now, obviously, here's the gold dump candle with the dollar pump candle. But then, as the dollar slid off, gold should have rebounded, but it's stuck below these deviation levels, man. Got to get up here by the end of the day. The probabilities are saying yes, and I always go with the probabilities. So we'll have to wait and see. It's coming in quick. Coming in quick. Yeah, that's a great gift. Great gift. GIF. All right. We got any questions? Anybody want to look at anything before I break out of here? Coinbase up almost 13.4% now.
Hey, look at SPY before you go.
Yeah. Let me see what's it doing here. I mean, you're just you're at the top side, right? You're at the 95 for Laplace right now, and so there's a 95.4% chance by the close today it closes down or under 411. What is it? 411.45. Staying there right now, and we talked about this earlier, right? You got the 3SD. You got the 3SD on the 4 hour. Second standard deviation. Top of the daily. I mean, this thing's pretty topped out. The afternoon session, especially if the dollar gets some legs, that's what I was looking for in the afternoon with some puts. It's tricky, though. But you got to realize where you're at, the VRE and the distribution in this thing. Center of the monthly. 2SD, 3SD, top of the daily range. All kinds of overhead. Real resistance. All you TA autists out there. Real resistance and support. Volatility ranges. Distribution levels. Not your silly line drawing. All right? That's all these pattern traders are, man. It's literally coloring books for adults. But that's fine. I like to color. Just not on my charts.
Hey, man. I look up Cuervo.
Hold on, let me look at. Really? Are we going to look up Tequila?
Yeah, but BMV Cuervo.
What is it, Jose Cuervo?
Uh-huh.
Or the woke version, Jose. I won't say it. Oh, Jesus. I'm bad. I'm a bad boy. I mean, a 4 hour, just like all these time frames, man, the volatility screaming take profit to the top side. And if you look where the data set's at, it's a no freaking brainer. If you're just like sitting on profit right now in a long position, intraday, the people that are in here, I probably don't have to tell them. I mean, they hear me pounding this in there, pouring honey in there every day. It's a no-brainer to take profit, right? Smart money's taking profit. Not going to lose any. Not going to lose any, especially if the dollar finds support here. It tries to get back up around the weekly range. This isn't going to happen. Plus, the probabilities are saying it's going to close inside this range. So there's that. see. Let me let this dog in. Girl, you've been out here just dicking around, standing on the stairs. Come on, baby. What's up? You happy? Good girl. My good girl. All right. Yeah. Let's see here. 981 is up here, peaked up at 100 percentile. Grade hasn't even caught up yet. Look on this 90-minute candle, right? It's up. It was up here to 99.7 Laplace. God, look at these great moves, man. Look at these outliers. Look at the outliers on SPY. Got some great trades, man. Great trades. People are like, but what? This is what this is all about. When this indicator flips and tells you you're having an outlier, dude, it's a no-brainer to get into the position, or at least using it part as your workflow, saying, yes, now I'm looking for these outliers on the low time frame, right? And so you could be having like an outlier to the downside on the 90-minute. Then on the 3-minute, going to the downside, that you could be having little outliers on the 3-minute, and then they're coming back down negatively correlated, then negatively correlated outliers, then positively correlated coming down. That's what I meant. Positive correlation coming down. You're going to still float to the downside. And that's how that works, how you can get all the juice out of these trades by the outliers still going on the 90. What's happening on the 3? That's what you're going to see. You're going to see those the variance, the spread of data negatively correlated. And then when that variance comes back down, it goes positive. Boom, 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 boom. Been seeing it. Crazy.
Dude, seriously, BMV Cuervo.
BMV Cuervo. Oh, yeah, it's almost 11. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's really what you need to know about SPY. If you're in a long position, I'm taking profit all day. All the volatility is telling you that. So the afternoon play could be puts, but keep an eye on the dollar. Keep an eye on the dollar. Now, what are you talking about? What's the ticker?
BMV Cuervo. Cuervo.
BMV. Oh, I'm on Forex. Jesus. Is that the Bureau of Motor Vehicles? Let's see. Cuervo. I should just be able to put in a Q, right? BMV Cuervo. Nothing's popping up.
Weird. BMV space Cuervo.
Where are you? One. What the hell?
Right there at the top, man.
Is it?
Right there. Yeah. Very first one.
No, it's not. It's TH. What are you talking about? Where do you see BMV Cuervo here?
TH. It's TH. It's BMV Cuervo.
Oh, like I'm supposed to know that? Hell, it says S&P, BMV, Comp, MX, IRIP. What does this have to do with Cuervo?
Yeah, well, that's the company that trades under. Very nice VRE chart on there.
Oh, so I'm supposed to be doing this on the...
No, actually, I'm just saying, it's very nice looking on the VRE.
So, how about, what was that again? TH. So why don't I just put TH in? How's that? That'd be easier to find. There it is. Oh, no, that's Target Hospitality. Oh, no wonder. Now I see what you're saying. What the? Oh, yeah, this makes a lot of sense. Right? BMV Q. There you are. Let's see what's so nice about this. Yeah, you're bouncing off the bottom of the monthly. Now you're at the top of the weekly.
Yep.
Okay. I see.
And it ranges very nice. It ranges very nice. If you expand that VRE chart, you'll see it really hits targets very nicely all along. I mean, the last week or more has just been...
I mean, the way you made it sound, I thought I was going to see Bigfoot or a unicorn or something.
No, you get to see just very nice movement through the VRE, through hitting all the target levels, just up and down, up and down, up and down. Very nice.
I got you. All right, guys. Gals.
It's stonks like these that make it worthwhile to learn how to trade.
Just I got the message.
It's you got easy targets, easy entries and exits.
Right. Gotcha.
And lots of liquidity. Not to spare the pun.
It's just coffee with just a little snippet of Bailey's.
It was a bit kick.
That's all it is. Not going overboard. Cinco de Mayo. Not tonight. That's a different story. And we'll hit the taco truck and do some shots of tequila with my Mexican friends.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Got some damn good tacos. Gotta love them street tacos. Make sure you trust the folks, though. There's E. coli running around in them joints.
That's why well, around here I make it. I just make it myself.
Yeah, man, I hear you. These folks, they're good people, man. They're very clean. You can tell immediately. That's the first thing I do at the taco truck. I'm looking inside, seeing, is that grill clean? What's happening here? You guys clean? Yeah, you look clean. Got generators running, got fridges. You don't just have some beat up box truck with all your veggies just sitting out in the heat and fucking in Tupperwares, getting all scumbagged up. So it's the last trading day of the week for traditional. What are we going to do? We're going to watch Bitcoin this weekend. We're going to watch crypto this weekend. The dollar is finishing up on an ugly note here. Let me pop it on one more time. I'm going to make a little prediction. By the end of the day, this dollar breaks down below this daily range. We're probably going to see a move on Bitcoin this weekend. Probably going to see a move on Bitcoin. I mean, it got back up above the monthly. The bulls want to keep it up here. What are they doing? They know where the new weekly is going to be. They're going to try to stay up above it. They're going to try to run this thing. Anywhere from, let's see here. Pop this back on Bitcoin. Give one more little read here. No, daily. Go to the daily, friend. These are just areas of interest. Oh, I got the UPM off. I'm like, populate. Well, you got to turn it on, Goofy. Okay, we're at the top power mean band now, right? Great example how this works. You're outside, boom. Wave trend test. Top side of the power mean band. Wave trend test. We're right back to top side of the power mean band. Right there. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
What else? Do another VEPS course video. We'll see.
Tomorrow.
But yeah.
Yes. Here's the only thing, though. I mean, look at the weekly. Look at the power mean band, man. This thing is flipping. But like I've continually said, this wave trend is going to get tested at some point. I like that the power mean band's starting to break back up through it because it's really close to the top of the power mean band. It's at what, 26? That's why I would like to see a pump this weekend, but you're in no man's land. I could see you revisiting the local highs. Who knows? But I'm telling you, man, if this thing runs, you got to be careful because there's going to be a swift pullback to come test this wave trend at some point. This Fisher at this point, I mean, let's be honest. I mean, it's been trying to run towards it, but yeah, so you've already reacquired the top of the power mean band right here. Fisher's at 32.5. These are some of the time frames where I'm like, look, we get a wick. That'll probably be a top somewhere on the 3, or that's the 5-day. The 3-day, let's see. 3 days actually looking pretty damn bullish. But once again, got wave trend down here. Bitcoin's going to wreck some people. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. By the end of this second quarter, we could see Bitcoin pop. You know what? I haven't done this. What are the deviation levels on the monthly here on BTC? Let me go to BTC real quick. Let's see. El Monto. Turn off RMLR. Whoops. Turned it on. Sorry. Off. And off. Let's scale this down a bit. Okay, there's the 68.3 Laplace. That could be the top of the monthly. 31.6. 31.6. BTC. BTC. 31.6. 31.6. There it is right there. Is that the top of the weekly? No, it's only second. Yeah. Hey, man. Look out. Look out. Got the second resistance level. Up there. Up there. So, yeah. 31.6 area. This really starts pushing. That's going to rise right to about that area. That 30, what was it? 31.8? Yeah, 31.8. Hey, that's actually, it'll be right on top of it. Whoops, right on top of it. So yeah, that's a 68.3. You can see last month, it was just ranging inside this monthly 68.3 Laplace distribution range. Look where the 30 power mean is. This is on the monthly. This has always been a target of mine. We've been talking about that 36. And that's just a 1 SD move. All right? That's a 1 SD move on the monthly. That could definitely happen. Let me see. What is that? 36.8? Let's see if there's a monthly level up there. Close, man. Is that the top? Is there one more? No, that's the top. 35.2. Could happen. Could happen indeed. We're going to end on that note. We are going to end on that note. You guys, we appreciate your continued support in the Discord. You guys are great. Anybody watching on TradingView, we're here for you traders. That's why we're doing this 5 days a week, sometimes 6. We're going to do an educational video. Going to continue the series tomorrow. We're going to do one. We'll get with Yasha on that. See what time. Probably around 10 a.m. tomorrow, which is good for him, I think. It's about 5 at night, 5 in the afternoon, something like that, your time. Should be good. But yeah, let's wrap her up. Keep an eye on Dixie. Populate this one more time before we sign off. Oh, it's already starting. It's already starting. Dog's ears are perking. Like, man, what are these people doing, man? Yeah, here goes. Yo, look out, man. Look out.
You win.
Wow. You're already at the bottom of the daily here on the dollar. Keep an eye on this, guys and gals. So, yeah, if you're watching on YouTube or Twitch, we thank you. Cinqo de Mayo. Everybody be careful. I'm going to try strong on the Irish. Hold the coffee. Yeah, I hear you, bro. No, definitely not coffee with tequila. But, yeah, I like Yasha. I'll have an Irish coffee. Strong on the Irish. Hold the coffee. I hear it. Good shit, man. Good shit. You guys, like I said,
win.
We're going to do an educational video tomorrow live. You can watch it if you want. So it'll be up, rolling. And then, yeah, we'll be back, though, Monday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the open of the traditional markets. Keep an eye Sunday night for how Bitcoin closes and whatnot. I'll be in the Discord probably. Make a little update. See what's happening.
Yeah, boy.
That's right. And with all that being said, wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble on Cinco de Mayo, everybody be safe out there. Put on your sombrero, get a fifth of tequila, party with the neighbors. LFG. LFG. All right, guys. Alpha Trading out.
I go take my siesta now.